What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed. So here's what we doing today. Here is what we doing today, and I got to do it real quick because a little bit later I'm going to this pro mod race. May make some video of it, may not. No, you know I got to make some type of video on it. But anyway, we are out here at the Civic, and we got to do a little bit of work on the Civic. What do we got to do? Well, I need to get this thing inspected. First and foremostly, we need to get it inspected. In order to do that, there's an issue that I really need to fix, and that is the turn signal. This one works, this one do not work, and I know why it doesn't work, because it's not connected. Not sure if you can see it down there, but this is the wire. It's not connected. When I put in this turbo, I didn't connect it back. Oh man, it was just so much. I was just so tired. So I didn't even bother connecting it back. I could have cared less about that turn signal. But now I really need to fix it because I'm at the stage now that I'm buttoning things up on it and I want to get it right. So what I'm going to do today is try to get that right so we can get everything working properly, because I don't really want to drive it at night if a turn signal is not working. And like I said, I still need to get it registered. Hadn't got it registered yet because I wasn't even sure if it was going to stay together long enough. You know what I'm saying? I didn't want to spend that money and it didn't stay together, but it looks like it is. I'm having a good time with it, so we're gonna do the right thing. All right, and this really shouldn't take too long. And another thing what I want to do as well is, if you look down here, I don't know if you can see it, this was a black rubber piece. I don't know why I painted it, but it looks like garbage now. And on this other side, it's even coming off. I'm just gonna take that off. Take it completely off because we don't need it anyway. And I noticed this bumper is kind of falling down a little bit. I don't know why that's doing that. May need to realign it. Screw may have come out. May need to do something with that. But I definitely want to get this turn signal fixed before I go to this race tonight. So let's go ahead and get that done. I'm really happy that I'm finally at the point to where I can start buttoning up this little stuff. You know what I mean? Because for a while, you know, we weren't buttoning up little stuff. We was trying to get the big stuff fixed. And now we can worry about this little stuff, which is simple stuff. That wasn't even screwed in. I hate it. All right. And look at this light. Whoever did this janky light is really just like a strip of LED. I hate it with a passion. It's crazy. And it was like hot wired in. I don't get it. But let's try to get this thing fixed. I don't know what's going on with it. I really just need to get another one and stop even messing around with this mess. So looking at this, I hope all I really need to do is wire this wire together and then wire this wire together. We may start out with a butt connector, so before I start soldering, just to see if that's going to make it work. Because as you can see, there's like two wires soldered in on this. Oh my God, this is horrible. There's two wires soldered in right there. So maybe I can just solder these back together, solder that back together, and get it to work. Now, I cannot say it enough. This is not going to be a permanent solution. It's just a temporary solution to get it to working. We got to do that first. The permanent solution is to get entirely new lights, really all the way around. But these things ain't cheap, that's for sure. On another note, you remember a few videos back I painted that valve cover. Still holding up nicely. I'm still digging the black valve cover. I digress. All right, we got soldering iron hooked up. It's warming up. Once it warms up, we're going to solder these two together and solder the other two together and see if the light at least works. And just like that, I think we got it soldered good enough to test it out. There's that side. I don't know if you can see it. All right, so I need to go get the keys and see if that's going to work. Here goes nothing. We got the signal light on. And just like that, it's fixed. That's all it took. So now we're going to button this up and we're going to call that quick fix. Just what it was, a quick fix. I don't know about you, but when the plan comes together, it just feels good. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes stuff can just be easy and it's a great day. But a lot of times when you go try to fix something, it always becomes a job way more than what it was supposed to be. But in this case, it looks like it's going to work as it should, at least until I'm able to get it correctly fixed. You know what I'm saying? So now that we got that part all buttoned up, now we are about to rip this off. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Now that we got that off, and it was just held on by double-sided tape. So we'll get on eBay and get a new one that's actually black and put it on there. But I don't even know what purpose it was serving. Oh, we got a wire we need to fix. But it looks a lot better without it anyway. What do y'all think? Yeah, that's what I thought. I knew y'all were gonna say that. What's going on with this bumper? This is kind of annoying me. We need to readjust some stuff right in here and on the other side for sure. But that's gonna wrap it up for this one. We just doing a little maintenance. Now I think I'm gonna take it for a spin and see if we can go fishing.